Hey everyone, so my wife opened up a package of Entenmann's donuts and check this out, you're not going to believe it. She called me over, she says, look how small they've made these donuts. Now, just to keep it in perspective, this is a can of Campbell's soup, and this is now the girth of that donut. Let's investigate what's happened to Entenmann's donuts. Welcome to the Nexus Point. So we're here with Carrie. She's going to describe the story about how she found the donuts. So what happened with the donuts?
I opened a box of Entenmann's donuts. You're not going to believe how small they were. It's not even a donut. I don't even know how to describe it.
It's a no-nut.
Whatever. I mean, it's not worth buying. Entenmann's people, I don't know what you're doing, but they're not regular donuts anymore, and it's sad. Because these are good donuts. They're crumb donuts. But they're so tiny, you have to eat two. It's crazy.
And we've been eating those products for years.
Yeah, they were always good.
Well, I don't know what happened, but we're going to investigate it. So we're here at the Entenmann section in Publix, and you could see how different the donuts. And these are some of the donuts that people are complaining about too. If you buy these donuts normally, look, it's hard to tell, but the width of these is so much smaller. In fact, the weight, I think the weight was 1 pound, 3 ounces and a half or something. But I'm going to show you some comments later on. Now, it's such a shame because what happened, this company was bought by a company called Bimbo, it's the biggest bakery in America. I think it's a Mexican company, to be honest. But you look at what they did to these cakes. Look, this is a Louisiana crunch cake, right? This cake used to be 4 times this size. I mean, I'm a chubby guy, not that I need to eat more cake, but the taste difference is what's killing people. I mean, you look at how they have some of the crumb donuts and some of the things like this. There's so little crumbs left on some of these things now. I mean, some of the boxes they're covering up. They're not even showing what the things look like anymore. That's how bad it's getting. Now, just to show you a comparison, they lost Kerry as a customer. Kerry's going to buy these donuts right here from Publix. Look at the size of these donuts from Publix, $3.99 baked, and look at the size of these. I mean, it's just such a difference. And the taste is what's really throwing it off. If you look on my channel, you'll see I did a whole video on Entenmann's. I mean, it was such an amazing company. It was founded in 1898 in New York, and just all through the years had the most amazing products. But since 2008, 2009, when this company Bimbo took it over, Bimbo is actually, I think they make most of these cakes in Pennsylvania. But if you read, I'll show you some of these comments that the chocolate tastes waxy. Everything just has a really flat kind of taste to it now. And it just seems it's such a shame that all of this is going to the wayside, and people are just very unhappy with it. So here are just some posts on Reddit that I saw. Entenmann's donuts are shrinking. I feel betrayed. This guy says, I always buy these donuts at my work when they're BOGO. Notice that they're changing. Look how thin they are, like I was showing you in the box. Didn't realize anything else changed. Opened one this morning and thought the donuts were maybe squished. Nope, they're just smaller now. This guy says, it's easy to turn away from Entenmann's and never look back. All their products are downhill. Someone else says, I bought them last month and swear they were double the size. I'm glad I'm not the only one. They were a staple at my house growing up. My wife and I got a box of the chocolate frosted ones last week, and I would have sworn they used it to be bigger, but I chalked it up to me being bigger. But yeah, it's just all kinds of people. And there's actually a guy in here I saw who works at Giant Foods. Oh no, here it is. I work at Food Line. This was posted 17 days ago. And they did send communication saying the Entenmann's products were shrinking. So of course, Entenmann's officially is saying no, but the food people work at the supermarket say otherwise. So thanks again for joining me on my new channel, The Nexus Point. Any comments, please let me know. We'll end this video, of course, on a happy note.